Shija Hospital ki Chahi Nimfu Suba Foundation Day Pangthokkhre Shija Academy of Health Science ki Auditorium Hall da Pangthokkiba thoram aduda Dr. Chambo Gonmai, Director of Health Services Government of Manipur, Professor N. Sanjib Singh, Medical Superintendent, RIMS Hospital, Imphal Amadi, Dr. Palin K.H. Chairman cum Managing Director, Shija Hospital and Research Institute na Dice Funky, Professor N. Sanjib Singh na Thoramga Mari Ledina Mahaki Warol Piraduna Hai, Chahi Nimfu Yona Miyamgi Seba Tauduna Lakpa Asi Araiba Nate, half century Yosilakadoba Kazik Kaktamak Naisilak Masida Natana Hospital Oibedasu Natana. Medical gi lamda career semnabagi damak mahailoi sang amasu oiribani makha tabadasu kathokpa amaga loirena miyamgi seba tauba ngamba oisanu haina wish tauki.
This is one thing I want to put to all the students over here, that we are not only working here for the money, for my monthly salary or whatever it is, but whatever you have in your mind, you need that kind of innovation. We need to have that kind of charitable mind to serve the people like a good Samaritan. This is one thing that I want to put to all the members of today's function, and you all have been doing it. We know it. But the public sometimes, or treating the patients and all like that, and sometimes we get, all kinds of harassment also. But we forgive them. We forgive the people. We never try to challenge the public.